friends, Julie here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas kitchen vignette. I am taking part in Denise Jordan's Christmas Kitchen Vignette Challenge for 2019. So I will be showing you a tray next to my stove where I have it not only decorated for Christmas, but you'll see it's an extremely useful place. Typically, I tend to make my kitchen vignettes very decorative, not a whole lot useful. Like I'll put a candle in there, but that's about it. This time, because it's baking season and I know I'm going to be baking cookies and desserts and other things for the family, I wanted it to be a really practical and useful space. I cannot wait to show you guys what I did. There were a couple of guidelines that Denise had for us. The first one is that we had to have it on a tray so that it's portable, so it doesn't ever get in the way in our kitchen. If we need to move it, we can. The second is that it had to have some type of floral, greenery, pine cone, something like that. And the third was that it has to have some kind of words. You'll see I have words in a few different ways, but those were the three main things. Oh, and it had to be themed Christmas, for a Christmas theme. So you're going to see those in my vignette. I will have a playlist linked down below so you can go check out all the other ladies' Christmas kitchen vignettes for this year. Thank you guys for watching. Now let's get to decorating. So I will be using my salt and pepper shakers, this sign from the Dollar Tree, a few of my Christmas cookbooks, these measuring spoons, a measuring cup, this little stand, some greenery and pine cones, this little measurement equivalent that I got from the Target Dollar Spot, a candle, and this little plant that I also got from the Target Dollar Spot. Now to begin, I am going to be placing all of this on this tray that I believe I picked up from Walmart a couple years ago. And I am just going to stand my cookbooks up on this tray. I'm going to be using them as decorations. And this little stand, I believe it's like a little mini cake stand from Target. I'm going to put this little candle on it that I also believe is from Target. My salt and pepper shakers, which I always keep right here next to the stove. I am going to add this little Merry Christmas sign from the dollar store. This little plant I think is really cute and adds a little touch of greenery. I'm going to put the measuring equivalent thing here, but I end up moving it. And then because I will be baking so much, I'm going to be using my measuring cup and measuring spoons often, so having it right here seems like a good idea. And for decoration, I'm going to add this little pine cone. These little sprigs came from a package from the Target Dollar Spot, and I'm just going to kind of set them in here. It just adds a little Christmas flair. And that's it. I think I like it the way it is, and I am going to keep it like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are looking for more Christmas decor inspiration, please watch these other videos right here. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my future Christmas videos. Thanks again, guys, and Merry Christmas.